How you like your firewood cooked?
What's that?
How you like your firewood cooked?
Medium rare.
Medium rare? Alright. Oh man, I'll have to link you a lot of channels when I get home.
Yeah.
Show does a lot of backpacking and hammock camping.
Oh.
Really good channel. And he used to be a circus clown, so all his videos are really entertaining.
Nice. That'd be funny to see.
See, like my channel, I'd say it was about a -2. His is like a 10+.
Don't be so hard on yourself. Feel like a -1.
-1? Oh, thanks, buddy. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I subscribe.
Yeah, you've been commenting too, and I appreciate that.
Yeah, how does that work? Does that get you more YouTube points if people like and comment? So I used to just like stuff.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people say, hey, please like and comment.
I think it's subs and views that get you the most points.
Okay.
I just like the comments because I like hearing from my viewers, good or bad. It's nice when they take the time to comment and let me know. You know, if they liked it. I wish they'd tell me if they didn't like things so I could, you know, either not do them or make adjustments. You just had the forward there, didn't you? Alright guys, greetings one and all. Gonna get my dog dish out. Gonna cook up some chow. Alrighty, I'm gonna bust out the meat, which is garlic beef. It's like a little mini summer sausage I found at a world market, which I thought was pretty interesting. I'm gonna chop that up and throw it in my potatoes. Of course, I got my little cutting board. Is there a convenient pull tab on this? Nope. No problem. I really like these little mini summer sausages because they, you know, it's a one shot deal. I don't have to refrigerate anything. I don't have to. Gotta taste this one. No paper around this, I hope. Nope. Get this into the pot. And rot them out. And because people say I never get enough greens, I have some steamed asparagus. And of course, all the trash conveniently goes right into the bag. I am frying up some red potatoes that I steamed in advance, and then I'm cooking up some summer sausage, that mini summer sausage I found, and then I just threw in some asparagus that I get griped about not eating enough greens. So
little hobo stew.
Yeah.
In your dog food bowl.
In my dog food bowl.
You need to bring a dog out with you or something good. I'm borrowing Rusty's bowl here. He don't mind.
Well, if he minds, I'm gonna do it anyway. Although technically though, if you had a dog, you could cook your meal, and then after you're done, put your dog's food in it when the bowl is full, and let him eat out of it, and then just wash it.
True.
So you could leave all that flavor in for him.
Next best thing would be to find an anthill and just leave your dirty bowl next to the anthill. They'll clean it up.
Would they?
Oh yeah.
Huh? He's pretty good actually. Threw a little Old Bay on there, some garlic, some what that is, some spices. I was giving my little skillet, but I thought, you know, I haven't used a dog bowl in a while. My fire is kind of petering, unfortunately.
Yeah, this is wood that I brought from the house. He's burned up pretty fast.
Yeah. Well, yours is dry though too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw in a little extra seasoning. Salt, pepper, garlic, and some Old Bay. There you go. Alright, I think we're done, because everything is basically cooked. I'm just reheating, so.
Hobo stew.
I think I'm close. Hobo stew, cooked in a dog bowl.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's a sticking bowl, but you know, that's why I have scrubbies at home.
Yep.
Alright. Do that first bite. There's the sausage. Oh, make sure I'm on the camera. Alright. Yeah. Stumbling over myself. Well, if the stumble made the cut, it goes in the video. So it's the sausage. Yeah, that's actually really good. Wow. What I gotta say? Pretty delicious, really. Potato. You know what I needed? And I was gonna do it too, and I forgot. Bacon. I should have fried some bacon first, and then use the bacon grease to cook the potatoes in. With the summer sausage. Almost can't put it down. So, thing about this meal is the potatoes. I got 2 red potatoes, and they were 33 cents for the 2 of them. The sausage was $1, like $2, I think, $2 and some change, like 24 cents. I mean, the asparagus is probably the most expensive part at it was $4.99 a pound. I took about, I don't know, a tenth of it out, so maybe 50 cents for the veggies. It's good though. I have to remember this for next time. Of course, you can always change out the vegetables and whatnot. And I'm gonna roll in a clip here of me steaming the veggies. Really all I have to do is come out here and just heat it up. You just use whatever favorite vegetables you have, favorite spices in the kitchen you have, salt, pepper, cayenne if you wanted. It needed bacon though. Bacon bits would have brought the whole thing together. Well, we're going to wrap up and pull the tarp down and pick up and get out of here. So, it's been a good time. And thanks for watching.